Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your midsection? Do you want to rock a six-pack in just 2 weeks? Well, you are in luck because I have the perfect ABS workout challenge for you. This challenge is designed to target your core muscles and help you sculpt a defined and toned stomach. The key to success is consistency and dedication. You'll need to commit to doing these exercises every day for the next 2 weeks. The first exercise in this ABS workout challenge is the classic crunch. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head and lift your shoulders off the ground, engaging your core muscles as you crunch up towards the ceiling. Lower back down with control and repeat for 20 reps. Next up is the bicycle crunch. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and legs lifted off the ground. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. Switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee. Continue alternating sides for 20 reps. Now it's time for leg raises. Lie on your back with your hands under your glutes for support. Lift your legs towards the ceiling, keeping them straight and together. Slowly lower them back down towards the ground without letting them touch. Repeat for 20 reps. For the next exercise, we have Russian twists. Sit on the ground with your knees bent and feet lifted off the ground. Hold a weight or a water bottle in front of you and twist your torso to the right, then to the left. Keep your core engaged and your back straight as you twist from side to side for 20 reps. And finally, we have plank holds. Get into a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds, focusing on keeping your core tight and engaged. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to this ABS workout challenge for the next 2 weeks and you'll be well on your way to achieving the six-pack of your dreams. Good luck.